Start-stop buttons are in almost every new car, designed to save fuel and reduce emissions. But what if I told you that using this eco feature could actually wear out your engine faster? Today, we're digging into a controversial claim from YouTube mechanic guru Scotty Kilmer and talking to an expert in Sweden about whether turning off this button could actually double your engine's lifespan. Scotty Kilmer, who has over 6.5 million followers on YouTube, recently made waves by saying, "This is the dumbest innovation ever. If you don't use it, your engine could last twice as long." His argument: every time the engine shuts off and restarts, it puts extra wear on the starter motor and engine components, while actually consuming more fuel than it saves in short stops. To the test, we spoke with Hugo Kenger. He told us that while the idea of saving the environment is noble, in practice, the start-stop feature can actually increase wear and burn more gasoline. If you're in stop-and-go traffic, long lines, or construction zones, then yes, the system has its place, Hugo says. But if you know traffic will flow smoothly, it's better to turn it off. It protects your engine and saves you money on future repairs. The start-stop system works by shutting off your engine when your car comes to a full stop, like at a red light. Then the engine restarts automatically when you lift the foot off the brake. Sounds efficient, right? But there's a catch. Every restart requires energy, increases starter motor use, and burns fuel during ignition. For short stops, just a few seconds, the fuel saving is negligible, and the added strain on your engine could lead to repairs costing hundreds or even thousands of dollars over time. So when should you use it? Hugo recommends using the start-stop feature only during longer stops, like waiting for a train, a traffic jam, or long red lights. For quick stops, turn it off. Your engine will thank you. It's a simple tip that could extend your engine life and save you money on expensive US repairs, potentially avoiding issues with the starter motor, fuel injections, or even your battery. Start-stop buttons were invented to reduce emissions, and that's a great idea in theory. But as Hugo explains, in real-world driving, the effect can be the opposite. By thinking strategically about when to use it, you can protect your engine, save on fuel, and avoid costly repairs that could run hundreds or thousands of dollars here in the US. So next time you get behind the wheel, remember, don't blindly trust the echo button. Use it smartly or consider shutting it off for short stops. Your engine will thank you, and your wallet might too. Do you use the start-stop button in your car? Have you ever noticed any issues with your engine? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want more tips on saving your car and avoiding costly repairs, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we're covering every tip, trick, and automotive hack you need to know.